Hi students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. So we have completed first three chapters, yes? So matrix and determinants, integral calculus 1 and 2 we have completed. So in this class we are going to start our next chapter, unit number 4, differential equation. So it's not new. It's differential equation. Last year you have learned some basics alone you have learned in last year. So in this year we are going to learn some more deeply. Okay. So it's a very important section, this differential equations. Okay. So first you are going to learn what is meant by this differential equation. So take down your books, page number 80 and 81. Just I am going to explain the outline. You just read in your book, that's enough. Okay. So no need to take down all the things to your note. Just you read out the things from your book. I will explain. Okay. So page number 80 and 81. Okay. So first thing is what you mean by differential equation. So differential equation is an equation with a function. So if equation with one function and one or more derivatives, it consists of one or more derivatives, understand? So it's a differential, if it's a differential equation, if one differential equation with function, some function is given, means with one or more derivatives. I'll give one small hint for you. So see, listen, a differential equation with a function y is equal to f of x, then it has one or more derivatives. That's the meaning. So dy by dx is one derivative, d square y by dx square, d cube y by dx cube, like that it will be going on. Okay, again and again we will differentiate and getting different derivatives. Okay, so this is differential equation. So last year you have learned, so this year also third chapter as well as second chapter you have learned something in differential equation, that is the reverse process is differentiation, that and all I have taught in integral calculus. So dy by dx, how will you find d square y by dx square, how will you find that and all you know. Okay. Okay. So next thing is formation of ordinary differential equation. How we will form an ordinary differential equation. That is, a ordinary differential equation is an equation that involves some ordinary derivatives. Okay, it consists of some ordinary derivatives. That is, it will be consist of dy by dx or d square y by dx square, some derivatives. So that's a ordinary differential equation. So main thing is how we will find the order and degree of a equation. Okay, so first I will taught you what you mean by the order of a differential equation. Just I will give one small example, then only it will be very easy for you. Let us consider one small example. D cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square the whole cube plus dy by dx the whole power 5 plus y is equal to 7. It's one differential equation with the three derivatives. What are the derivatives? This is one derivative, this is one derivative, this is one derivative. So how we will find the order? How we will find the order here? Here order means highest power. Okay, the highest order derivative present in the differential equation is the order of the differential equation. What do you mean by the order of the differential equation? So what is the highest order derivative present here? What's the highest order? This is the highest order, is it right? What's the highest order here? So order equal to 3. So then the power of this highest order derivative is called the degree. What's the power here? What's the power here? 1, is it right? Whole power 1. Nothing is there means whole power. What's the power here? 3. What's the power? 5. Power here 5. Okay. So order means what? What is the highest order derivative present in the differential equation? Here the highest order present is d cube y by dx. It's the highest one, is it right? What's the order here? 3. So the degree means power. What's the power of that highest order derivative? 1. So the degree of the differential equation is 1. Understand students? This is called the order and degree. Okay. So using this we are going to do first example problem. Very easy. So you don't confuse order and degree. Order means highest. Is it right? Then power is degree. Okay. So easily when you are seeing the question itself you can find out the answer. Okay. Shall we move to the problem? So this much is enough for now. So when we are doing the problems, each and everything I will explain. Understand, students? Let's move to example 4 point. Find Find the order and degree of differential equation. First one is d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx the whole square plus 4y equal to 0. Second part, d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus 3y equal to 0. Third one is d cube y by dx cube minus 3 into dy by dx the whole power 6 plus 2y equal to x. Then fourth one is 1 plus d square y by dx square the whole power 3 by 2 equal to a into d square y by dx square. Fifth one, y dash plus y double dash the whole square is equal to x plus y double dash the whole square. Then sixth one, d cube y by dx cube minus dy by dx the whole power 1 by 2 equal to 0. Last one, y equal to 2 into dy by dx the whole square plus 4x into dx by dy. So 7 parts are there. Then one line we will write the answer. So very easy. Okay, this is solution. First question, d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx the whole square plus 4y equal to 0. So what is order and what's the degree here? See in the question itself we will find is it right. So what's the highest order derivative? That's one. First you need to write highest order derivative. What's the highest order derivative here? D square y by dx square. Is it right? So what's the order here? What's the order of this highest order derivative? 2. Okay. So what's the power here? Power of the highest order degree. So power of highest order derivative. What's the power? D square y by dx the whole dx square. What's the power is 1. So what's the degree? Equal to 1. That's the answer. Understand? Okay, very easy. Second one. So d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus 3y equal to 0. What's the highest order derivative here? Write down the same step. Highest order derivative. What's the highest order derivative here? D square y by dx square. Okay, what's the order then? Equal to 2. Then what about the power? Power of highest order derivative. What's the power of highest order derivative? D square y by dx square. What's the power? Is 1. So what's the degree? Degree equal to 1. Understand? That's answer. Okay, let's move to the next one. Third Roman. Third one. D cube y by dx cube minus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Correct? Okay. So shall we no need to write all the steps in that. Shall we write directly? Shall we write? So what's the order? Order is highest order, that's 3. Is it right? What's the degree? Whole power, is there anything? Degree is 1. So directly I wrote the answer, no need to write the steps. Okay. Next one is somewhat different. 1 plus d square y by dx square the whole power 3 by 2 equal to a into d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. Here we need to remove the radical sign. So what's the radical sign? The whole power 3 by 2. So we need to remove the radical sign. Understand? So here we need to move the radical sign. So we need to eliminate the radical sign here. We eliminate the radical sign. For that, what will you do? You can square on both sides. Square on both sides. So 1 plus d square y by dx square. When you are squaring, what will happen? 3 by 2 the whole square, that's equal to a square d square y by dx square the whole square. Squaring on both sides. When you are squaring, what will happen? This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So now what's the balance? D square y by dx square is equal to a square into d square y by dx square the whole square. Correct? Okay. Now what's the order here? What's the order? Anyhow, the highest order is whole power 3. Is it right? So highest order d square y by dx square. Okay, so order is 2. Correct. What's the degree? Degree will be different. What's the power here? Here the power is 2. So this is also highest order derivative equal order 2. But in degree, highest you need to take. Is it right? So what's the highest degree? Power here is 3. That's answer. Understand, students? Then you have completed 4th one. Now 5. Y dash plus y double dash whole square equal to x plus y double dash the whole square. Okay. So first you need to expand this. That is y dash plus y double dash the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square formula. What's the formula for a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2xy double dash plus y double dash the whole square. Just I had expanded. Understand? So now what did we do? We can cancel the common terms. So this and this will get cancelled. Now what's the balance? Y dash. You can bring all the terms to one side. Okay. So y dash is equal to x square plus 2xy double dash. So y dash means what's the meaning? dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2x into d square y by dx square. Have you got it? So y double dash means d square y by y triple dash means d cube by d cube. This and that you have learned last year. So y dash means the meaning is dy by dx. So now what's the order here now? Highest order derivative 2. Okay. What's the degree? 1. Okay. So it's another very easy. Okay. Let's move to the next question. One more Roman is there. Is it right? So we'll complete that one now. 7th one. D cube y by dx cube minus dy by dx the whole power 1 by 2 equal to 0. So here also radical sign is there. So we need to eliminate the radical sign. For eliminating the radical sign, we need to do, what will you do? D cube y by dx cube is equal to, you can bring this term to this side. So, dy by dx the whole power 1 by 2. Next, what will you do? You can square on both sides to eliminate the radical sign. So squaring on both sides. Now square on both sides, what will happen? D cube y by dx cube the whole square is equal to dy by dx the whole power 1 by 2 the whole square. So what will happen? This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, correct? Okay, I think it's the sixth Roman, is it right? Okay. Okay, so this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what's the balance? D cube y by dx cube the whole power 2 equal to dy by dx. So what's the highest order derivative here? Order equal to 3. What's the degree? What's the power? Power equal to degree equal to 2. Understand? Okay, last one. Y equal to 2 into dy by dx the whole square plus 4x into dx by dy. It's a small difference. So what will you do here is y is equal to 2 into dy by dx the whole square plus 4x into we need to change this dx by dy as dy by dx. So 1 by dy by dx. Okay. So what will happen now? So y into, you can bring this to here. So y into dy by dx is equal to 2 into dy by dx the whole square plus 4x. So what's the order here? Order equal to highest order. Highest order. Anyhow, order dy by dx. What's the degree? Degree means power. Degree how much? 2. This is the answer. So very easy. You can do. Okay, now I will give some homeworks for you. Take down your book, page number 84. I am giving some homework for you. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. First Roman, there are 7 problems, same as this example. Okay, 7 problems there. First problem you need to do, second one, third one I will do in the class, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one I will do in the class, seventh one. Okay, so these 5 problems are same as this example model, so you can do. There are 2 Romans I left. Okay, so that one I will do it now. Understand, students? So first to 7 Romans are there in the first Roman. First Romans, 1 to 7 subparts are there. So except third and sixth one, third and sixth one, you need to do all the 5. I will do the third and sixth one now. Understand? Okay. Very well. Listen here. Third and sixth one I will do. So exercise 4.1, first Roman, third problem I will do now. Question I am writing now. D square y by dx square is equal to square root of y minus dx. Y minus dy by dx. So you know what to do. Anyhow, I am doing. Just you listen. Okay. So what will you do here? How will you do this? We will remove the square root symbol. Is it right? So how will you remove the square root symbol? Whole power you will write. So d square y by dx square is equal to y minus dy by dx the whole power 1 by 2. So now it's in radical sign. Is it right? So what will you do? To eliminate the radical sign, what will you do? What will we do? We will square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Square on both sides, ma. D square y by dx square the whole square is equal to y minus dy by dx the whole power 1 by 2 the whole power 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. So what's the balance? D square y by dx square the whole square is equal to y minus dy by dx. Now find out the order. What's the order? 2. What's the degree? What's the power? 2. That's the answer. Understand? So 7th one also we'll do now. Sorry, not 7, 6. 2 minus y double dash the whole square equal to y double dash square plus 2y dash. So this one a minus b the whole square formula. So a square minus 2ab means 4y double dash plus y double dash the whole square is equal to y double dash the whole square plus 2y dash. So this 2 will get cancelled. So how will you rewrite this? 4 minus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 2 into dy by dx. So sorry, d square y by dx square, is it right? Y double dash. So what's the order here? Highest order 2. What's the degree? What's the degree? Power. This is the answer. Understand, students? So example 1 question and exercise 3rd Roman and 7th Roman I have completed. Remaining all the 5 problems is your homework for you. So in our next class we will start from example 4.2. Okay, before that we need to learn some what do you mean by family of curves, how we will form an ordinary differential equations and all. If we learn that and all only, we can do the next sections. So today our work is go through that. I gave all the intro. Go through that, and only one example problem, that is 7 problems I have taught there. Then 2 problems here also I have taught it. So remaining I gave 5 problems as homework. So except the 3rd and 6th problem I have completed. Remaining 5 problems is your homework. Please do it. Don't waste your time. First onwards, start to learn. Don't omit. It's a very important section. So we'll start the next family of curves in our next class. Thank you, students. Be safe. Learn well. Thank you.